There's no one like you, my little girl.
Hey loves, it's Brianna K. Thanks for watching this day in the life video for August 2022. There has been so many changes around here lately. I just wanted to thank you for your support and for subscribing to my videos. I hope that you have a great day and that you enjoy this day in the life.
The world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life.
Thank you to Blue for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I'm obsessed with Blue. It's some of my favorite skincare products. I use them every single day. Everything is made from Canadian glacial oceanic clay. It is loaded with over 60 unique minerals. They help to detoxify your skin. It exfoliates, rehydrates, and moisturizes, so your skin is so silky smooth and radiant and glowy. I know in the summer especially, sun damage is just such a concern, and over these past 3 months of summer, my skin has not looked better. I get comments from you guys all the time saying you're glowing, and I can thank Blue because that's all I've been using this summer. So I always wash my face with the glacial cleanser, then I use the toner, and I follow up with the eye cream and moisturizer. Then once a week, I use the glacial oceanic clay mask. It is my favorite mask, and I just love the packaging. So I just finished my morning skincare routine with Blue, and seriously, my skin just feels so soft. I love how hydrated it makes my skin, and I feel like it's made my skin look extra glowy. And there's a summer refresh bundle that you have to try because I love these products so much. You get the glacial oceanic clay mask, you get the hydrating glacial clay cleanser, and the glacial mineral toner. So that's all in Blue summer refresh bundle. And if you use my code Brianna21, you get 21% off. I'll have this linked down in my description box below for you as well.
Your dreams, everything, go on now, be good, be fine.
He's in it too. You show everybody what you're wearing? Huh? Aww.
Live your life.
We are headed to the grocery store, and if we can make a stop, I've been wanting to just check out some of the fall decor that's out, and today's kind of like rainy, so I feel like it's putting me a little bit in the mood to go look. Slow down. See the pumpkin? Look. It's pumpkin. What do you got? Pumpkin? Ooh, I wonder how deep. This one says it's coconut and pumpkin.
Can I smell?
Okay.
Can I smell?
Your stuff is so cute. That's so cute. Which please. Oh my god, I love this. I need that. Oh my gosh, look how cute this one is. That's so cute.
Look at this, so pretty. Mommy will get this.
Mommy would get that. Are you trolling me? I love you. Let's go. Everything is now restocked in the fridge for the week. Nice and neat and organized in there. And then over here, I like restocked all of the cereals that like needed to be restocked for quite a while, and then just sort of organized a lot of the bins and kind of like more just like put away all the snacks so that they're nice and neat, so that we can get off to hopefully a organized start of this school year. And now I just have to break all these down to put them in the recycling.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time.
All right, I wanted to share with you guys a little haul of the fall decor, and I actually ended up, I think, finding a little bit more Halloween decor actually at Big Lots that I thought was so cute. But I wanted to get this pumpkin. Hayden was playing with it there, but it was seriously so soft. I thought it was so cute. Not that I like need more pumpkins. If you've ever seen my fall decorate with me videos, which that will be coming soon.
Mommy thought to get everything for decoration and for the floor.
I tried to get all the decorations for you. You're right, because I like making our house pretty for you. But we found these. These are like Happy Halloween. These are the plates, and these were the napkins. They're only $3.50 each, which I thought those were so cute for Halloween. And then, here, Prezi, you want to press the button? And you can show how this one looks here.
This one is like a ghost thing, and it will do something.
You see what happens? See how it lights up like that?
It makes it.
Isn't that so cute how it lights up? I love that. Home sweet haunted home.
Can make anything look pretty.
Oh, you're doing the haul with me? Here, you want to show? Here, you hold the pillow. Show it.
This is how we wanted to bring a new thing for Halloween, and we're gonna decorate it up for fall.
So that one says home or welcome to our haunted house. So that one will be for Halloween. This one I got. Let me hold it up here, Presley. Sorry, I have my like light on because it's so like dark today that I feel like the lighting's horrible. But it says farm fresh pumpkin pie. I think I was gonna try to hang over. I don't know if it can be too wide. It'd be a little too wide for there, but I was thinking maybe it could go in there. I don't know if it's gonna work now though. And then the last one I got.
It's like
outside.
We can want to hang it up somewhere.
Yeah, I was gonna hang it on probably the hooks in there, like in the foyer area, but
the pumpkin
place?
is like so cute that Mom can't stand up to it.
I know, it's so cute. It's so soft, isn't it? Feel it. It's so cute. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna leave that sign there or not. Tell me if you think I should. But I've been craving buffalo chicken dip. This is one of the recipes that's in my cookbook. It's so easy to make, and I feel like it's a year-round really good recipe. But I always think especially in the fall, because I feel like you're just having more get-togethers between, you know, going back to school and like whether it's Sunday football games or like college games on Saturdays or whatever it is. I feel like fall is always just like a time where you want sometimes just like a fun, cozy dip like this buffalo chicken dip. If I could open the cream cheese, there you go. You just take a block of cream cheese. I'm making this in the crock pot. You can also, if you just mix all of this and put it in a bake safe dish, throw it in the oven, like 350 degrees until it's nice and warm and bubbly, and just like reserve a little bit of the cheese for the top of it to like sprinkle it on, and then you can kind of like brown it under the broiler. But I have probably like 2 grilled chicken breasts that I just shredded up here. Throw that in over that block of cream cheese. The chicken is like sticking to the bowl. And then I have a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. If you don't want to use mozzarella though, you could use shredded Italian cheese or provolone cheese. But I like mozzarella for this recipe. And then you've got the Frank's Red Hot sauce. I got like hot buffalo. There was a couple variations. They had like a garlic one that I actually think would be really good to try. That I just got. This isn't the original, this is the hot one. But I like it hot. You don't want to use the full bottle now, so I poured a little too much. And then half a bottle of some ranch dressing. And I'm just then going to set this. I can like stir it once it kind of gets all melted really good. But see on the crock pot here. I have it on the low setting. I'm just gonna like leave it for a couple of hours. Really, it just needs to get heated. So the amount of time really doesn't matter as long as you're just kind of paying attention to like, is it heated and bubbly and all stirred up really good. And it's one of my favorite dips. And I don't think I said, but I usually always serve this with tortilla chips. Carrot sticks are really good. Celery sticks are really good if you're looking for like a low carb. But I also just got today at the store those Hawaiians like slider rolls. You could make buffalo chicken sliders with these on those. That would be really, really good.
Don't mind my broken crock pot. I don't really know what happened, but it still works.
I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I just looked at the clock. I swear, like the days are flying by. Summer just flew by. Like I cannot believe that it's already back to school here. It's crazy. But the kids are getting picked up here soon. So I need to get changed because I'm gonna go to a workout class and I have to leave like the minute that they get picked up. I have to leave here to make it on time to my workout class. I've been doing bar this summer. It's just been like really, really good for me in so many ways.